Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can winterize your RV the right way during winter season. Watch until the end to learn this useful information. But first, why should you winterize your RV? Winterizing your RV is an important task that you must carry out when the cold season is approaching. This is because if you fail to winterize it, the water lines and the pipes can freeze and then expand to cause cracks in the RV. In simple terms, winterizing your RV means removing any water in holding tanks, water lines, or other water systems that could freeze when the temperatures get extremely low. This process is meaningful as it will significantly save you from paying the high repair cost if your RV was damaged from the winter season. Items needed to winterize your RV the right way. To properly winterize your RV, you'll need a few essential items to carry out the procedure thoroughly. These items include a clear manual, a couple of non-toxic antifreeze, towels, buckets, container or bowl, screwdriver, a flashlight, and an air compressor. Steps to follow to winterize your RV. Gather needed materials. The first step you need to do is gather all the materials that you'll need for this process to help save time from going back and forth looking for the additional items. You may not need some of the tools depending on the components of your RV. To start, you'll need primary tubing to connect the antifreeze to your system, a tank cleaning wand, and a flushing system if it does not have a built-in one. Remove or replace the water filters. This is the second procedure that you must carry out to ensure that the antifreeze will be perfectly pumped into the water lines. Removing these inline water filters will ensure that they're ready and clean when you next install them. This is also a perfect time to replace your water filters if they're in bad condition or have expired. Drain and flush your black and gray tanks. Start by emptying your black and gray tanks to ensure that all water is drained out of the tanks. After this process is done, flush out both of the tanks. If your RV does not have a flushing system, you can use a cleaning wand or any external flushing system to clean out the tanks. Drain the water heater tank by opening all faucets and removing the drain plugs. To drain your water, switch it off first for cooling purposes. Drain the water heater by opening all faucets and removing the drain plugs. Open the hot and cold lines for a few minutes to ensure that all the water has drained. Then close all the faucets and replace the drain plugs once the water heater tank has fully drained. Connect the system to antifreeze. The following procedure you need to do is to connect the system to antifreeze. This procedure is done by installing your water pump converter kit to allow your RV to pump the antifreeze into your system. If you don't want to install a new device to your system, you can do this by disconnecting one of your water intake lines and dropping it directly into the jug of the antifreeze. Push the antifreeze through the system. During this stage, turn on your water pump. When you start seeing your antifreeze flow through the system, close the low point drains immediately. The next thing you need to do is open the faucets, toilet valves, and showers on the inside and outside, one at a time, until you see the antifreeze flowing through them. Then you can turn off the water pump and open a faucet once more to release any built-up pressure. Prepare your RV for the final stage. To finish winterizing your RV the right way, turn the water heater heating element off and ensure all faucets are closed. Your RV is now ready to go, as it is all set for winter. Consult your owner's manual for long-term storage procedures. Once the winterization process is over, it's advisable to consult your owner's manual for RV long-term storage procedures. This process will solely depend on your RV type and the storage facility that you use. Tips for quickly preparing your RV for winter storage are: by covering your tires if your RV is placed on the outside, turning off the main liquid propane supply valve, removing any food items that could attract rodents or bugs, and finally, putting a repellent or setting up a mousetrap in areas where critters might enter your RV. There you have it. You can now easily clean your RV the right way using the steps I've shared with you today. Do you have any questions or any comments concerning this video? Make sure to drop them below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.